So go to hostgator.com, and I'll put a link in the description. And HostGator makes it really easy to get started right away, and it's very cheap. So that's why I like HostGator. Click Get Started Now. And then if you scroll down here, the different plans. Hatchling plan is a little bit cheaper than Baby plan, but with Baby, you can put as many domains as you want onto this one plan. And so for that reason, I think the Baby plan is the best. You can buy a couple years in advance or go monthly. So let's just do monthly for now and hit Sign Up Now. So you can buy your domain through HostGator. So let's say my name's Hoku, so I want to buy hokuswebsite.com. And it's about $13 a year if you buy it through HostGator. Namecheap.com is actually a few dollars cheaper, so you could buy it through another service. If you were to buy it through another service, just hit I already own this domain, and then put it in. You're going to need a username and PIN number, and this will auto-populate correctly. You don't need to touch that. You'll need to put in your billing information. These I do not believe are necessary, so you can uncheck them. If you really feel the need, then leave them checked. And there's a preloaded 20% off coupon. So this is 20% off your first bill, though. So if you see, it's usually $10 a month, but they're going to give it to you for $8 for the first month, for the first bill. So if you scroll up, see right here, it's January currently, so the second month, February, it goes back to $10 a month. So they've actually hooked us up with a better coupon. You type in build without code 1, you're going to see this discount jump up, validate. So it went from $2 to almost $10. So your first bill would only be 1 cent. Then after that, it goes back to the regular $10 a month. However, if you want to get an even bigger discount, you can, but you'd have to pay more in advance. So let's put this to 12 months. So this is if you were to buy 12 months in advance. You'd still get that same $10 discount with this code. But if you do build without code, with no one, just build without code, hit validate, this is actually a 25% off discount. So it's 25% off your first payment. If you're buying a year in advance, then it's 25% off this amount, which adds up to almost $30 off. And the ultimate discount is this same coupon code, the 25% off your first payment. So you can see in the second year it goes to back to $10 a month, but that's not for a whole year. The ultimate discount would be buying 3 years in advance, 36 months, 25% off. That amount is almost $70. So that's how you would save the most money, but obviously the downside is you'd have to pay in advance. So if you want to do monthly, I would do the bill without code 1. And there you go, it'll be just 1 cent. But if you don't care about paying in advance, then I would say pay in advance in 3 years obviously is how you're going to get the most off, and have just build without code, that 25% off your first payment, and that's how you'll save the most money. And so obviously you have to pay more up front. There is, however, a 45-day money-back guarantee. So let's say you pay 3 years in advance, and after a month you realize you don't need a website anymore. You see right here, every web hosting plan comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee. So you could actually get a refund if you want to within 45 days, even if you do buy 3 years up front. So that's how you get the cheapest hosting possible. And once you decide on your hosting plan, fill all that stuff out, just hit here and hit checkout now, and you're done. You'll get an email with your account information. However, it does sometimes go to spam, so check your spam folder.